Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. So the next analysis will be the NZDUSD. So the analysis will be happen day after tomorrow when market will be open. So just preparation yourself to take the TP or the SL, or will be the SL, or will be the TP. Just follow my video and you can easily understand the forecasting. So let me show you where market will be go, or what market will be behavior. So first of all, we can draw a resistance zone. It's a resistance zone, perfect resistance zone for day one, or like H4, H1 or whatever. So what market will be behavior, just show you. Market now, it's time to turn market. Here it's a downtrend, so market will be go here like that. After that market will back here, then I can go there. After the market will come here again. But if cannot do that market, if resistance cross, then it's this cross, okay, this resistance cross, market will go there. It's totally its total TP will be like more pips. So just follow this, market will go there. There will be no chance to back. So if market will be rejection here, then it's going down over again. So it's a day one analysis. From the following the day one, H4, H1 will be happen like that. So I will show you the target. How can you take your TP or SL? Let me show you. You have to wait to get like what will be the TP, okay, or like that, TP or SL. So just follow the buy setup. You need now buy setup, not sell setup. Buy setup where you can take your TP. After crossing this, you can take buy from here, and TP will be like that, this point TP. So after crossing this, you can take the entry from here and TP like that, or TP this point you can TP this point, okay. So here two buy point you can set up, or if you don't get any buy setup, and if market got rejection from this level, then you can sell from here and TP from here, TP like that. So I already show you the TP and buy setup and sell setup TP. So I think you can understand my point, and the NZDUSD preparation, profit entry preparation will be easy. So just follow my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will share all the analysis, all types of forex related information and analysis. I will share you and just get profit from my channel. So thank you very much for watching my video.